Hello guys, so this is my next video lecture on Java programming language. Actually, owing to some technical issues, what I'm not sure of, some of the video lectures that I have uploaded in YouTube for like few seconds of the time or few minutes, it's not audible. So those videos I will be again making at the end, and I will be explaining you what you have missed. Okay, so how do we implement this object and class? Okay, let us take an example, say employee, of an employee. Okay, so so okay, so we create a class, say employee. Okay, so the first instance variable will be int space id, that is the id of the employee. Second instance variable will be string space name, that is the name of the employee. Third instance variable will be float space salary, which is the again the salary of the particular employee. Okay, so say we want to like we did in the previous case, we inserted the values of roll number and the name of the object of student class in our just in the video just previous to this one. So on similar lines, we can create a function within this employee class, that is say void insert bracket start. Since we have to insert the values of the id, the name and the salary. Now the first instance variable, that is id, is of integer type. So the first parameter that should be passed to the void insert should be of integer type as well. And the second instance variable is of string type, that is string name. So the second parameter that is passed should be of string type, say string space n, comma, then salary is a float type, so it should be comma float space s. And then there will be three assignment statements as simple as that. Like id, we needn't write we just straight away need to write id equals to I, and name equals to n, and salary equals to s. Okay, and on similar like we used a function called insert information or print information. On similar lines, we can use a function called display. So the return type will be void space display bracket start bracket end parenthesis start system.out.println bracket start id append, then inverted quotes with a space between them, then append name plus then append, then inverted quotes with space between them, then append salary bracket close semicolon parenthesis end. Okay, so like we invoke the function, that is insert details, in the previous video. On similar lines, we can create three objects of employee class, say Ram, Shyam and say Rohit. Okay, so Ram, Shyam and Tom, say. Okay, so first one will be Ram. So for the first object Ram, how do we create a new object? It is done in the similar way. First, the name of the class, that is employee space Ram, that is the name of the object, that is equals to new space employee bracket start bracket end semicolon. Similarly, we need to create two other objects, that is Shyam and Tom. Okay, then nothing much, we just need to invoke the function, that is insert. So first is Ram. So how we will initialize the value of the id, the name and the salary for Ram object? That will be done in this way: Ram dot insert. So we need to invoke the method insert bracket start, say id is 1, comma name will be within two inverted quotes since it is string by nature, Ram, then comma salary is at 10,000, then bracket close semicolon. On similar lines, we have to initialize the value of the id, the name which is of string type, and the salary. Okay, and finally we can use the function display, which is nothing but system.out.println in bracket start id. Append is nothing but you have to just write a plus exactly just after id, no space in between. id plus inverted commas with a space in between them, then append operator, then name, then append operator, then inverted commas with a space between them, and then again append operator, and then finally salary. So that is how you will be able to use the function display. So this is one example of how we use objects and classes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so already it won't be good to start on the next topic, that is how we create an object in Java right now. So I will do it in the next video. Thank you.